Verifying your domain for a Shopify store in Facebook Business Manager is essential to run Facebook ads and track conversions correctly. Here's how to do it. Log into Facebook Business Manager. Go to Facebook Business Manager and log in with your credentials. Go to Business Settings. In the top left corner, click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu, then select Business Settings. Select Brand Safety. On the left-hand side, under the Security section, click Brand Safety and then select Domains. Add your domain. In the Domain section, click Add and enter Shopify store's domain. Then click Add Domain. Verify your domain. Facebook provides 3 ways to verify your domain. HTML file upload. Download the verification file from Facebook, then upload it to the root folder of your Shopify store's website via the file manager in Shopify. DNS-TXT record. Add the provided DNS-TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Meta tag. Copy the meta tag provided and paste it in your Shopify store's theme.liquid file within the head section. Confirm verification. After completing one of the methods, click Verify in Facebook Business Manager to confirm.